Hi guys, welcome to ePathshala. I'm here with the new chapter algebraic expression. So what is algebraic expression? An algebraic expression is an expression built up from constants, variables, and the algebraic operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So I know your little minds be wondering what are these terms. So let's move on to find the good definitions for this term. So before that, I want to tell you about expression. So let me write this. So expression. So expression. So what is expression? Here I'm taking an example. 2x plus 5x. This whole thing is a expression. All right. So this is a expression. So what is expression basically? So it's basically a group of terms. So it got two terms in there. So 2x and 5x are both terms. So 2x and 5x. So if you want to make an expression, so we can make, like, we just need to put the addition sign. So we made a expression. So this is what is expression. So let's move on to terms. So terms. So term is a part of an expression. That's what I'm gonna tell you. So here's an example. So this is an expression. So they got two terms. One is 2x and other one is 6x. So but there are also two types of terms. So they are like and unlike. So first I'm doing the like. So like term. Here is an example, like 4x plus 6x. So if you see the numbers are different, but the variables are same. So we only see the variables to check is it unlike or like. So this one is like because they both got same variables like x, so they are like. So let's take another example. So another example is 2x squared plus 3x square. Here's the difference, that we got x raised to the power 2, x raised to the power 2, but they're still same. So again, we don't have to look at the numbers. So it doesn't matter what numbers we have or same or different. So the matter is x raised to the power 2 and x raised to the power 2. So they are all same. So they are like terms. If we had um just 2x plus 3x square, so it would be unlike because it's x square and it's x, so it matter because it's x square and it's x. So now let's take an example of unlike term. So unlike terms, um unlike, so here's an example, 2x plus 5y. So in unlike terms, so to say unlike terms, we don't look at the numbers, we just look at the variables. So in this one, the variables are different, so it is unlike. So identified. So let's take another example. So let's say if we have 2x squared 2y squared. So sorry. So again, we look at the variables, not at numbers. So in this one, we go x raised to the power 2, and in this one, y raised to the y raised to the power 2. So this is unlike. I hope you understand. So now let's move to another topic. Let me just rub it. So next topic is our const. So some of you know already what are consonant, but those who don't know, so here's a video for you. So constants. So what is constant? So a constant is a number on its own. For example, 7. So 7 is a number which constant by its own, or you can also say it alone, the number alone. So the number alone. Yeah, so this was a consonant. The consonant can be a number, not a variable. Like constants can be 8, 9, 10. So these can be constants, but a and they can't be constant because they are variables. So please remember. Some students make mistakes here sometimes, like these types fill in the blanks types of questions comes in the exams, and they also write that a m or an any alphabet letter are constants. So let's move on to the next topic. So next we have sorry so next we have variables. So let me write variable. So variable is a letter or alphabet in an expression like x plus 7. So this whole thing together is an expression where x is variable, as I told you before, variable, and where 7 is constant. So right, yeah. So x is a variable and 7 is a constant. Please remember. Now let's move on to the next topic. Next we have so there also have some extra terms like coefficient. So coefficient. So what is coefficient? So coefficient is the number in front of the variable, like 2x plus 7. So this is also an expression. So coefficient is the number in front of a variable. So here let me write what are these numbers. So where x is constant. So x is constant. So and x is, you remember? So yeah, x is variable. Yeah, and finally 2 is our now coefficient. So 2 is our coefficient. So hopefully you understood. So now let's move on to the next topic. Like coefficient can be in numbers, not in the like alphabets. They can be in like they only are in numbers. So now our topic is next topic. Let's go to powers. So next topic is powers. So yeah, everyone knows powers, like the so power is like the number on top of the variable. For example, 2x square plus 7. So this is also expression, and this is power. So yeah, this is power. Oh, sorry. So that's the introduction for this chapter, algebraic expression. Hope this video helped you to understand some basic concept of algebra. Okay, so that's all for today. See you next time in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take